thought it was a brilliant performance. I think Ben Heppner is one of the greatest Helden tenors in this generation. So we travelled from London to see it. So it was certainly worth the trip.
It was heart-stopping
Quite upsetting.
and musically brilliant.
It was extremely moving, especially at the end, of course, and I think it's on a par with the best Tristans I've seen, and I saw Dame Gwyneth Jones, and I thought the soprano was superb. And I love the modern production.
I mean, it was a turning point in opera, really, because sort of the music and the drama are all equal. It's not just sort of aria-based, it's not a stand and sing. Focuses a lot on, like, the character's motivation.
It made me cry in the first half, cry in the second act, and cry in the third act. I can't give it any higher praise than that, because it takes an awful lot to make me cry.
Well, I think with this opera, I think there's just such a surging power in the narrative that goes through it. So I don't think there's ever a dull moment. I think it's just the drama of it flows so naturally that although it's 5 hours long, it never feels. There's never a long moment.
It's my favourite opera, and certainly it's a tremendous production. I'm coming again to a performance on June the 2nd. It'll be the third time this year that I've seen this opera, and I would come again tomorrow if I had a ticket.